Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to install and activate emoji style files and folders icons theme inside your VS Code. So this file folder structure will change to emoji style. So there is one fun little extension that you can install. If you just type emoji right here in the search bar, this extension will come right here, which is emoji file icons, and it's almost used by 136,000 developers. So this will look something like this emoji style file icon structure. It looks pretty good. So if you just install this extension, and after that you simply need to set your icon theme, which is emoji file icons. As soon as you make this change, you will see your files folder structure will change to this emoji style structure. You will see this is your JavaScript file. This is your folder structure will look something like this. This is your Python file, which looks like this snake structure. This is your PDF file. This is your Excel file, which looks something like this. This is a TXT file. This is your HTML file. So clearly the icons and the folder structure drastically look different, but it looks different in a very fun little way. You can see it looks quite good. You can see it's a JSON file. This is a markdown file. So if you like this file icon structure, you can install this extension. Personally, I like this. And also you can select from a series of, you can even customize this icons that appears like this as well. You can see by selecting. So this is a fun little extension that I wanted to share with you. This looks quite good, and depending upon, if you just want to disable this, click the disable button, and once again you will be reverted back to the original settings. But just if you just want to enable this, you can enable this. So it looks good. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.